Organizer AZ911, and in this video I want to talk about remembering to be smart when you set up your organizing goals. And what I mean by that is remember the word SMART, S-M-A-R-T. When you're setting up your organizing goals, remember S stands for specific. Make your task very specific. Don't approach it by saying, this weekend I'm going to organize the whole garage. No, be more specific. Say, this weekend I am going to go through this box, this box, this box, and I'm going to sweep the floor. Be very specific when you're setting your organizing goals. Also, remember the word measurable. That's the M. You want to, when you're talking about your organizing goals, they should be measurable. Meaning, like I said with the garage example, I'm going to organize that box, or if it's inside the house, I'm going to organize this cabinet. It's a measurable amount. No generalizing, I'm going to do this whole area. So you should set it up in measurable chunks that you can do in the time you're allowed. The next thing you want to remember is the letter A, and that stands for achievable. Here's a huge thing to remember. A lot of us set our goals way too high, that there isn't enough time allowed to get the task done. Taking garages, for example, again, that's a huge job, and often they think they can do it in one day. You know, and you got to think, hey, this took me months, maybe even years to build up this amount of clutter, and sometimes you just cannot tackle all of it in one day. So don't set yourself up for failure. Perhaps set the goal a little bit smaller, and then if you find you have extra time, tackle more projects. But again, make sure your goal is truly achievable. Don't set yourself up for failure. Okay, your next letter is R. That stands for relevant. What you decide to organize should be relevant to you, meaning it should be an area that is used frequently. Don't go setting up your first organizing goals to a remote area of your home that you don't frequent often. Tackle those areas that are relevant to your daily life that are currently, because they're disorganized, maybe causing you a lot of hassles in your daily life. Okay, so make sure you choose a relevant area in your home. And finally, T. T stands for time. And that means how much time you allow for yourself to complete that task. Be realistic. If it's an area that has taken you years to build up and clutter, don't try to tackle it all in one day. Set the time accordingly. And when all else fails, give yourself more time than what you might think you need, okay, to complete that task. Because here's the thing, if you rush organizing, you are going to be making some bad decisions on whether you keep or toss something. Okay, so allow yourself to go through that decision-making time and give yourself enough of that time to make the correct decision for you. Okay, so remember the word SMART when you're ready to set up an organizing goal. Okay, I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give it a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, please poke that subscribe button as well. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll know every time I upload a new video. And please share this video with any of your friends that you think it might help. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. Thanks for watching.